Hi, my name is Anne, and since I've been coming to Advanced Periodontics, I've had root planing, implants, and periodontal services.
Anne's a patient of ours. I first met her way back when I was working in a different office. And when I opened my office here, she came with me, and she's been a patient ever since.
I needed periodontal work because I was experiencing some bleeding of my gums and just not really being considerate of my teeth when I was taking care of them. And what he recommended was that since I wasn't going to be doing my flossing and brushing the way I was supposed to, that maybe it would be better if he put me on a schedule to come in and have my teeth cleaned more frequently than most people. And because of that, for the last 40 years, I've actually been seeing him or one of his hygienists about 3 to 4 times a year, and he's just been able to keep my gums in very good condition, and I never have gum bleeding. I don't have any issues with my mouth. He just takes care of it.
Over the years, people's needs will change. And as with Anne, she saw us initially for some periodontal conditions, and then there were some teeth which, for whatever reason, of restorative nature, needed to be removed and grafted and implants placed that restored with teeth. And she's been on a hygiene program for a long period of time, and she's maintaining very well.
In all the time that I've known him, it's like we grew up together, because he was just starting this practice and I transferred over from when I saw him at the other dentist's office. And just his manner, the fact that I could connect with him as a person, the fact that the people that work for him are just like him. I mean, he hires people who like other people, who are very forthcoming about information, who are concerned with me as a patient, but they also care about me as a person. So it's like I'm part of the Advanced Periodontic family. And it's a very comforting feeling to come here, because I know that I can feel confident that my teeth and my smile are always the best it can be because of his team.